Mind, body, and spirit wellness, finding balance and fitness. Welcome to a journey towards holistic wellness. Today, we're exploring the interconnected realms of mind, body, and spirit in the context of fitness. Achieving true well-being involves finding balance in all aspects of our lives, and fitness is no exception. By nurturing our minds, strengthening our bodies, and nourishing our spirits, we can unlock our full potential and lead vibrant, fulfilling lives. Join us as we delve into how to harmonize mind, body, and spirit to achieve optimal wellness in fitness. Number 1. Mind wellness. Mind wellness is the cornerstone of holistic well-being. By prioritizing mental clarity and emotional balance, we can enhance our overall quality of life. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness help quiet the mind and reduce stress. Engaging in activities that stimulate mental growth, such as reading, learning new skills, or pursuing creative hobbies, fosters cognitive health. Cultivating a positive mindset through gratitude, self-awareness, and self-compassion promotes resilience and emotional well-being. Remember, a healthy mind is the foundation upon which we build a fulfilling life. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and visualization to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Number 2. Body wellness. Body wellness is integral to our overall health and vitality. Regular physical activity strengthens our muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances our energy levels. It's important to prioritize activities that we enjoy and that align with our fitness goals, whether it's running, weightlifting, yoga, or dancing. Variety in our exercise routine ensures that we engage different muscle groups and prevent boredom. Listening to our bodies and giving ourselves adequate rest and recovery time is crucial for avoiding injury and maintaining long-term fitness. Remember, a strong and healthy body is the vehicle that carries us through life's adventures. Prioritize regular physical activity that you enjoy and that aligns with your fitness goals. Incorporate a variety of exercises, including cardiovascular activities, strength training, flexibility exercises, and balance work. Number 3. Spirit wellness. Spiritual wellness is the nourishment of our innermost selves, encompassing our values, beliefs, and connection to something greater than ourselves. Spending time in nature allows us to reconnect with the earth and find solace in its beauty and tranquility. Practices like yoga, meditation, or prayer offer moments of introspection and inner peace, fostering a deeper connection to our spirituality. Cultivating gratitude and mindfulness helps us appreciate the present moment and find meaning in our experiences. Engaging in acts of kindness and compassion towards ourselves and others nurtures our spiritual growth. Remember, nurturing our spirit is about finding harmony within ourselves and the world around us. Connect with nature by spending time outdoors, engaging in activities like hiking, walking, or gardening. Practice gratitude and mindfulness to cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. Number 4. Holistic approach. A holistic approach to wellness recognizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, emphasizing the importance of addressing all aspects of our well-being. It involves integrating various wellness practices into our daily lives to promote overall health and vitality. This approach encourages us to consider how our thoughts, behaviors, and environments impact our health and happiness. By adopting a holistic perspective, we strive to achieve balance and harmony in all areas of our lives. This may involve making conscious choices about nutrition, exercise, stress management, and self-care. It also entails nurturing our relationships, pursuing our passions, and cultivating a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember, true wellness is about more than just physical health. It's about thriving in all aspects of our lives. Recognize the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, and strive for balance in all areas of wellness. Number 5. Consistency and adaptability. Consistency and adaptability are key principles for maintaining holistic wellness. Consistency involves committing to our wellness practices and incorporating them into our daily routines. By establishing regular habits such as exercising, eating nutritious meals, and practicing mindfulness, we create a solid foundation for our well-being. However, life is unpredictable, and it's essential to remain adaptable to change. This means being flexible in our approach and adjusting our wellness routines as needed to accommodate shifting priorities, schedules, and circumstances. Whether it's finding alternative workout options during busy periods or adapting our meal plans to accommodate dietary preferences, being adaptable allows us to maintain our wellness journey despite life's twists and turns. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress and resilience. As we conclude our exploration of mind, body, and spirit wellness, remember that finding balance in fitness is a lifelong journey. By prioritizing mental clarity, physical health, and spiritual nourishment, we can achieve optimal well-being and vitality. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on holistic wellness. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about finding balance in fitness. Together, let's embark on the journey towards holistic wellness and unlock our full potential. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.